Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto OnChain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Pi Network launch date. A new era begins on Pi Day. Countdown to open mainnet. Get ready for the $Pi revolution. Hold on to your seats, because the Pi Network is about to make history. Mark your calendars for March 14th, 2025, yes, Pi Day, because that's when the highly anticipated open mainnet launch is set to shake up the world of blockchain. Could this be the moment that Pi Network steps into the spotlight and takes the crypto world by storm? Let's find out. What is the Pi Network Open Mainnet? Pi Network's Open Mainnet isn't just any update, it's a game changer. After years in closed beta, Pi Network is about to flip the switch and go fully operational. This launch will allow Pi token holders to finally transfer their Pi coins across supported exchanges, putting to rest all the questions about listing and opening up a whole new world of possibilities in the crypto universe. Why March 14th, 2025? It's more than just Pi Day. It's not just a quirky date. Pi Day has always been celebrated on March 14th, and it now holds even more significance. The decision to launch Pi Network's open mainnet on this day represents a deep commitment to its community-driven approach. It's the symbolic milestone of Pi's journey from dream to reality. If all goes as planned, Pi Day 2025 will become a landmark in Pi Network's story, marking the beginning of its exchange listing and elevating it to new heights. Pi Network's incredible journey so far. Pi Network's vision started with one goal: to create a decentralized, accessible cryptocurrency for everyone. With more than 45 million active users around the globe, Pi has already made its mark, despite some early skepticism about its mobile mining model. As the mainnet launch approaches, the excitement is palpable. The upcoming launch is poised to prove that Pi is not just a crypto experiment, but a full-fledged blockchain innovator. What happens after the mainnet launch? So, what can we expect once Pi Network officially launches its open mainnet? First, Pi coins will be listed on major exchanges, giving users the liquidity and trading options they've been waiting for. But that's just the beginning. Real-world utility for Pi coins will soon follow, enabling users to make transactions, buy goods, and play an active role in a decentralized economy. Plus, Pi Network has big plans to expand with dApp launches and new partnerships, creating even more opportunities for developers, businesses, and users alike. Final thoughts. Is Pi Network ready to change the game? As we count down to March 14th, 2025, the anticipation is reaching a fever pitch. Will Pi Network live up to its promises and change the future of blockchain as we know it? It's all about to unfold. The wait is almost over. Pi Day could be the day Pi Network finally takes its place as a leader in the crypto world.